You said this is an Italian thing? It doesn't look Italian to me. Loaded nachos, a donor dog, tuna tartare Frito pie. They're having a class right now. Today I ate an edible that's new at Gotham. Focus. It's like the sativa one, and it's made with raw honey. These are the bathrooms. Sometimes they'll have like a different DJ in here, and they call it Club Flush. For example, like that. They can change the color of these lights in here. Oh, there's a hole.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for satisfying my curiosity.
Yeah, of course.
Do you see the carpet? Is that Gengar? Is that Gengar?
Yes.
This is the smoking section, also known as the party cage. Pretend I'm on wheels. I just feel like everyone is so brave for being out here on wheels, learning how to do something new on a Wednesday night. I just found out that they have bottle service and you can order a platter of 10 hot dogs.
How do you feel about the class and what y'all learned today? Sincerely, did everybody learn something?
Do you freaking see the Frito? The Frito thing with the tuna in it? That's tuna tartare in the Frito bag. It's bringing tears to my eyes, I'll be honest with you. When we were walking here, we saw an old man brushing his cat with a brush on his porch. It was real sweet. It has nothing to do with tuna tartare, except they're both so beautiful they'll bring tears to my eyes. Okay, let's look at this. So we got a donor dog, we got loaded nachos, we got tuner.
Really working.
A tuner? You wanna eat with me? Why do I have 3 forks? Okay, hold on. Whoa. I could eat nachos for lunch every day of my life. My good bitch tuna tartare Frito pie. Give me in now. My own rollerblades, but my cameraman is a size 13.
13?
Yeah. Freak. It's hard to be the highest girl at the roller rink, but somebody's gotta do it. I brought tall socks, which I feel like is an important part of this. Also, I brought my own rollerblades. I feel like it would be dangerous for me to be bad at this because there's people around. I also got wrist guards for my wrists. Here's my rollerblades. They are purple. I low-key think these are for children. I don't really know. I got them during COVID. I spent a lot of money on the internet during COVID. Now, are these on the wrong feet? Do you think there's an L or an R on here somewhere? Buy no drinks at the bar. We pop champagne cause we bought that dough. Let me hear you say yeah. I'm not wearing children's rollerblades. Wait, I used to be good at this. What happened? They're not for babies. They're for grown-ups. Like me. Yeah, you do that. I wish my mom was here rollerblading with me. I'm gonna throw up Fritos. And if I did, it wouldn't be because the Fritos were bad. It would be because I overindulged because the Fritos were good.
What?
I said, don't be a baby. Get out there and skate. There's something like a little bit embarrassing about having light up wheels and being really bad. This is proof that you can have the outfit, you can have the gear, but it doesn't make you ready. I gotta get to the middle, which is where the babies are supposed to go. Like if you're new, you're supposed to be in the center, but you have to cross through the advanced people. See, those are my people over there hugging the wall. You think I can do it? Whoa, 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 whoa. I've got it. I'm so scared, you have no idea. Okay, I'm finding the perfect time. Ah! Oh! Jesus! I'm coming out! Did you see me do it? Is she saying like standing still or going a million miles per hour. I'm gonna wait for a few zoomies to get by and then I'm gonna re-enter the zone. Okay, here I go. Jesus, no, I'm not ready. Ah! DJ Big Bob is singing. Here I go, here I go, here I go, here I go, here I go. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm not fast enough to be on this side of the rink. That's really scary. I really don't know how to brake. I don't know how to brake at all. Everybody's so good. Oh, I almost ate shit. Hi. I can't get over there right now. I'm having fun now. Ooh, ooh, ooh. My lower legs are like, right now. You know? This weed has made me very sentimental because I'm enjoying watching everybody be together and nostalgia and skill and groove. Everybody knows each other. Can I merge? Can I merge? Not really. Not really. Not really. Did I look cool out there? Because I felt cool. Thank you for watching Hi, I'm High. I'm Rachel. New episodes every other Saturday.